It's an Infidel.
Benchmade. Infidel knife. You squeeze it in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so it follows the original edge. You will not devalue a good knife. Turn it over, do the back side. Take some razor sharp, quick and easy. Hit it on leather when you're done, that'll polish that edge. Use the rough side of your leather belt. That's all it takes. We're American made, we offer lifetime guarantees. We put our name and website right on our handles. Feel that? Does that feel sharper?
Absolutely.
There you go.